Good morning, guys. Okay, so this is something new I'm going to be doing on this channel, and this was kind of requested because when I'm doing lives, it's really hard for me to show y'all a lot of things. Which on the live, I'm gonna still walk around as much as I can, and you guys will give me feedback on how it's looking, because sometimes it can get blurry and freeze and all that when I start moving around the house. Now that I have my internet box in here, it may not do that as much. I don't know if it's the reception in this area, but this is what I'm gonna start doing. I'm gonna be doing a renovations day, get it done daily task, or whatever, tackling daily tasks. So today I'm going to be tackling a couple things, and in this video I'm going to show y'all the things I'm tackling and kind of just y'all know these are, I'm going to try to edit these from my phone and tackle these things, share them with y'all, but I'm not going to talk, so it'll just be y'all seeing what I'm tackling. So today, let me share with y'all. In these ceilings, there are so many spider webs. Now, the brown stuff, if you're new to the channel, is not spider webs. It is blow-in installation. But let me see if I can get closer so you guys can see. There are like so many spider webs in here. You probably can't see them there. I did. Oh, here we go. So I'm going to get my shop back and start getting up in here and sucking up as many spider webs as I can to get this stuff out the way. The installation is not really bad, but over in here, then I'm gonna go into the kitchen and I'm gonna go into the living room. So we're gonna get all these spider webs up out of the ceilings, and what else? Oh, and whatever falls, I'll get that up. So this is my big hefty DeWalt shop vac, and I have some stuff out here that I want to get. Now later today, I know I will be tackling my see, and this is the installation that when it was all over the floor and we were picking it up, it got out here on this terrible deck. So I want to get this stuff off, get all this stuff off the deck, just clean it out. We did clean it out a little bit last night, so I want to tackle this, get all this done, and then, like I said, get all the spider webs out the ceiling, so that way when they come back, they can proceed with drywall, because he got all the screws out. And then get the floors like just kind of cleared up for anything that falls. So I'm gonna do the ceilings first, do the floors after, because I know it's gonna fall. So we got one room, dining room, kitchen, living room, and then this bedroom. See, just stuff. Yeah, so we want to get in here and get as many of these spider webs and freaking spider eggs. I've seen a lot of spider eggs and I don't like it, because I'm like, if you close the ceiling up, you see the stuff just hanging. I don't know if y'all can see it, but if you close the ceiling up and the spider eggs are up there, then when they hatch, then they're gonna be all up in my ceiling. So no, we're gonna get all this spider crap out. And some of this insulation is gonna come out too, but it could stay as well, because it'll be more insulation for the home to stay warm or cool during certain elements. So that's that. I already did that room in there. So let's tackle this room, the floors, and the patio. All right, guys. showing you things that I'm tackling around the home, not talking. So at the end, in the beginning,